Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning Volkswagen Polo. It's a 2018 plate and it's finished in reflex silver. This one has actually got really nice alloys on it. It's on the 16-inch alloy wheels. Most Polos have 15. 5-door body style. Obviously you also get your 2-year warranty and 2 years servicing if you go for your PCP. 2 years warranty and roadside assistance is standard though. Have a look at the outside of the vehicle. Really nice little car. Just take you inside. You can see the dash. I'll just turn the car on for you so you can see how many miles it's done and things like that. So you can see it says here 13,930 miles, which is not much at all. Okay, so I've just started the engine for you. As you can see, you've got your 8-inch central screen. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can have all your apps on your phone through the screen, so navigation and everything. Nice carbon grey dash. Got your air conditioning controls like this, so you control where it goes as well. Really easy as well, these ones are to control whilst on the move. They're really chunky and easy to find. Got your 5-speed manual gearbox, sunglasses holder and that. It's all very smart and easy to use as well, with your steering wheel controls for your volume and for going through your menus. Really useful and easy to do. I'll just show you the outside of the car a little bit more and tell you a few more benefits about getting a Volkswagen approved used vehicle. As well, you can see the metallic in the sunlight. It really sparkles, really nice colour. So with this approved used Volkswagen, and all of our approved used Volkswagens for that matter, our mechanics do a 142-point check on this car, from tyres to airbags to the engine, to make sure everything is in tip-top condition. If you notice any wear and tear that's not typical of the age of the car, then we'll get that fixed for you as well under the approved used scheme. If you have any questions about this car, about a trade-in, or any questions about finance, then please don't hesitate to ask us about it. Thanks for watching this video and we hope to speak to you soon.